Hi friends, let us know about 9 unexplored places in India. The first one is Rani Ki Bhav. It is situated in Patan town of Gujarat and is one of the most beautiful places in India. It is located on the banks of Saraswati River and is designed as an inverted temple. There is a sculpture of Lord Vishnu reclining on thousand snakes. The second one is Molinong. It is situated in East Khasi Hills district of the Meghalaya. It is honored as the cleanest village in Asia and is also called God's own garden. This village has also proved 100% literacy rate and women empowerment. Its well-maintained road often put urban cities feel down. The third one is Menpath. It is a hill station situated in Surguja district of Chhattisgarh and filled with green pastures, deep valleys, breathtaking waterfalls and many more. It is also called the Simla of Chhattisgarh. It is a home to Thakpo Sedupling Monastery, which was built in 1970. The fourth one is Halebidu. It is a town situated in Hassan district, Karnataka. It is spotted with several forgotten but charming shrines and temples. It was the regal capital of Hoysala Empire in 12th century and is the best destination for historians and archaeologists. It is a home to Hoysala architecture. The fifth one is Daroji Sloth Bear Sanctuary, which is situated in Ballari district of Hampi, Karnataka. This sanctuary is also among the unexplored places in India and is the only place in Asia where one can spot sloth bears. This sanctuary has a rough terrain and tourists can spot animals from a watchtower view. Chembra Lake is the sixth one. It is the highest peak of Wayanad range in Western Ghats. It is a heart-shaped lake and is the only lake in India in the shape of the heart. People often called it Hridaya Sarasu. It is surrounded by lush greenery and the famed heart-shaped lake make it a paradise for travelers to explore. The seventh one is Urakam, which is situated in Chepura block of Thrissur district, Kerala. It is popular for its majestic beauty, entrancing culture, skilled artisans, vibrant festivals, delicious food and many more. One can come here to relax and make himself free from busy town life. The eighth one is Mohammadpur Umri, which is situated close to Indian Air Force Base of Bamrauli near Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. It is a village which is also called as Master's Village of Twins. It is also labelled as Twin Capital of the World. In a roughly population of 800, there are almost 35 pairs of twins. The last but not the least is Lungli, which is situated in south central part of Mizoram, northeastern India. The literal meaning of this place is the Bridge of Rock, which is admired for its scenic beauty and natural landscapes. It is one of the most populous towns of Mizo Hills and one of the major commercial and political centers in Mizoram. So these are the places where you should explore at least once in your life and enjoy the beauty of our incredible India.